Bitanya Gudeta has a lifelong love for flying.
Like whenever me and my family go on trips, my favorite part is like going on the plane and flying to our destination, and just that part of it I've always loved.
And now she's getting a chance to learn to fly thanks to generous donations to the AOPA Foundation. Bitanya received an AOPA Foundation You Can Fly high school flight training scholarship. The scholarship was funded by the Ray Foundation.
I just feel great honor that they picked me to be the recipient of the scholarship, and I just want them to know how much I appreciate and how big of a help this money is going to be towards my flight training.
Bitanya will study aviation at Ohio State University, and her goal is to be an airline pilot.
Aviation is like a big accomplishment for the world. Like, it changed everything from like transportation and made it so much easier. So being a part of that accomplishment would just like give me a sense of pride.
Today, Bitanya is taking the first step, a discovery flight at Fairfield County Airport in Ohio.
It was pretty wonderful, like taking off and then looking down. It was just so beautiful to see everything, and I was able to like play around with the controls and stuff, so that feeling, it was pretty wonderful. I loved it.
For Bitanya and the other 130 plus scholarship winners, that feeling of joy is just the beginning.
How was it?
Oh, it was fun.
Alyssa Cobb, AOPA pilot.